The Sprung structure creates an ideal growing envelope, whether utilizing natural light or a completely blacked out environment. We provide a structure that meets building codes, is unaffected by extreme wind loads, heavy snow, and seismic activity. The lightweight aluminum substructure and highly tensioned membrane panels make it well suited for rooftop greenhouses.
So the curtain system that you can see pulled here right now is open to really show the diffusion of light and really brighten up the entire place, so I don't have to use any supplemental lighting. And the shades themselves I can pull all the way closed to control the light coming in. So when our flower cycle goes to 12-12 to trigger flowering, we'll just pull them closed anytime we want to make the flowering happen. Solar gain coming out of the translucent membrane on Sprung structures has really been fantastic. Even when it's about 45 degrees outside, without supplemental heating, even without floors off, we can keep this room is great in here. The temperature has been sitting in the mid 80s. It's probably 45 degrees outside right now, and it's lovely inside, short sleeves. How the building is designed, with the way the light is diffused, with fewer shadows and nice diffusion of the light, the plant gets a really even amount of light no matter where you are in the room, which does help with growth tremendously.
We want to be able to go anywhere in the world and duplicate what we are creating and have the exact same environment. So as we got looking around, I was introduced to Sprung Structures and went and met with them. And from the time we placed our order, once we decided to go and building, we were less than 10 weeks total of planning it, getting it dropped off, and putting the structure up. Awesome building. I mean, it works for what our needs are. We have consistent temperature. We live in an area where the weather is extreme. It can be plus 100 degrees during the summer and -5, -10 in the winter. And that building has never changed temperature. It really gives us the ability to change how we grow and the recipes and temperatures that we get to control. And therefore we take Mother Nature out of the equation and we can have the perfect environment 24/7 for any kind of plant that we're trying to grow in this building. Our building is 100 foot wide by 180 feet long, so it's an 18,000 square foot building. To produce about 75,000 pounds a day is astronomical. We use 97%, 98% less water than traditional farming in that building because of the building, because I can control everything. We need a building that can now travel with us. So let's say it's Saudi Arabia or Antarctica or wherever. This building can duplicate that same environment anywhere we go in the world.
At Sprung Structures, we are here to help you grow. Connect with us today to learn more about how a sprung structure can be the perfect fit for your growing project.